Today we're looking at a company called Pellevitae. They make handmade leather belts, and they've sent me one to unbox and to try out. So, let's have a look. The belt comes in a box with Pellevitae's logo on the front. Inside is a gold felt pouch that contains the belt. Let's open that up and have a look inside. The belt has a protective covering to keep it from getting scratched, so let's remove that to reveal the belt. Pellevitae have put a lot of effort into this packaging, and I feel like they've done a really good job with it. Okay, so here's the belt. This is their black dress belt. It's 1.5 inches wide and comes with a stainless steel buckle. The belt is cut from full-grain 12-ounce cowhide leather and is handcrafted from start to finish. They have a nice video on their website showing the handcrafted process. One of their main features is the customization option, where you can personalize your belt with your initials. I think this is a great option, especially if you're looking for a nice gift to get someone. You can see here they've put TR on the belt, which are my initials. Alright, let's try the belt on and see how it fits. Pellevitae offer the belt in different sizes, and they have a handy sizing guide on their website, so you can make sure you get the right size to fit you. Another nice touch. Okay, so here's how the belt looks. First impressions are that it fits really well and feels comfortable. I like how it looks, and it's a belt that you could dress up with a formal outfit, but it would also look great on a pair of jeans too. I almost forgot to mention the white single-edge stitching that runs along the edges of the belt. This really helps to give the belt an added premium look and feel. I only have one small complaint about this belt, and that is that the belt loop is not attached fully to the belt, so it's possible for it to fall off completely. I'm a bit worried about losing this piece when I hang the belt up. It's only a small thing, but hopefully they can improve on that in the future. But overall, this is a great belt, and I have no problem recommending it to you or as a gift for someone else. This belt costs $99, but right now you can get 15% off using the link in the description and the code TR15. Thanks again to Pellevitae for sending this over. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos on men's fashion and lifestyle. That's all for this time, and I'll catch you in the next one.